Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And today, the topic of discussion is common factor and common multiple. As we all know that factor and multiples, but today we will learn what are common factor and what is a common multiple. About common factor. If a number is a factor of two or more numbers, then it is said to be a common factor of all of them. And in a multiple, if we are talking about a common multiple, if a number is a multiple of two or more numbers, then it is said to be a common multiple of all of them. But before knowing common factor and common multiple, we should be aware of what are co-prime numbers. The numbers having 1 as only the common factor are called co-prime numbers. For example, 3 and 10 are co-prime. How? 3 and 10 are co-prime. 3 has two factors, 1 and 3, and the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Only common factor is 1. So 3 and 10 are co-prime numbers. Then we talk about the twin prime numbers. Twin, as the word suggests, there is something relating to 2 in them. They are a pair of prime numbers having difference of 2 in them. For example, 3 and 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then for example, 5 and 7. 7 minus 5 is 2 again. Then 13 and 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. There is one other thing which is to be noted about twin prime numbers, that is they have only one composite number between them. For example, 3 and 5, the number between 3 and 5 is 4, and 4 is a composite number. Only a single composite number exists between them. 5 and 7 are the twin prime numbers. The two prime numbers are 5 and 7, and amongst them is a 6, which is one composite number between them. Okay, then we come to the perfect numbers. What are perfect numbers? Perfect numbers are the numbers whose factors, when we add them, give us a number which is twice the number. For example, 6 is a perfect number. How? The sum of factors of 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. As we know that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. And when we add them, we get a 12. And 12 is equal to 2 into 6. 6 was the number, and when we multiply it by 2, we get a 12. And 12 is the sum of its factors. So we call that 6 is a perfect number. Now let us see a question from my practice time 2 on page 43. Find the first three common multiples of the following. Now we will come to know what are the common multiples. The question is 12 and 15. Let us write the multiples of 12. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. Now you will say how long we are going to write them. We are going to write maximum or minimum 10 to 15 numbers, and then we will compare. If required, then we will write more of them. Now we'll write the multiples of 15. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and so on. And when we are going to compare the two multiples, then we will find that the common multiple, when we encounter all the multiples of 12 and 15, we get the first common multiple to be as 60. The next will be as 120. Then the next will be 180 and so on. We can get many more common multiples, but only they have asked the first three multiples. So we'll write the first three multiples as 60, 120 and 180. So here is the answer, the way you have to write it. Then we move on to another question from your same exercise. Question number 1, it has two other numbers, 8 and 12. Let us see this. Multiples of 8 are 18, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. And then we write the multiples of 12. Let us see if we require more of them. Okay. When we compare the two tables, that is the table of 8 and the table of 12, we come to know that 24 is the first common number, and then 48 and then 72. There can be many more multiples, as I said, but because we have been asked only three multiples, first three multiples, so we are writing only the first three common multiples. So the first three common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and 72. Can we see one more example for much more clarity? First three common multiples of 24 and 32. Multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96 and so on. Similarly, the multiples of 32, you will write the table of 32. And let us see how much do you require. You require it till 10 only. So when you compare the two tables, the first common multiple is 96, second is 192, and the third is 288. And then we are going to prove it that hence first three common multiples of 24 and 32 are 96, 192 and 288. Okay, let us see another question, that is find the common factors of the following. Now what is the common factor? If a number is a factor of two or more numbers, then we say that it is a common factor. But the question here is A 25 and 35. So we are first going to write the factors of 25. The factors of 25 are the numbers by which 25 can be divided. Or we can also say the tables of the numbers which have 25 as the answer are the factors of 25. So 25 comes in only three tables, that is 1, 5 and 25. Similarly, the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. We can clearly see the common factors, that is the number which divide both the numbers are 1, 5. So, the common factors of 25 and 35 are 1 and 5. The D part, 15 and 20. We have to write common factors of 15 and 20. For that, we are first going to write the factors of 15. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Then we will write the factors of 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Remember, these factors are the numbers which divide 15 and 20 exactly. Exactly means without leaving a remainder. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the numbers which divide 15 exactly without leaving a remainder. Similarly, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the numbers which divide 20 exactly without leaving a remainder. Like in 25 and 35 also, 1 and 5 are the common factors. In 15 and 20, 1 and 5 are the common factors. But that doesn't mean that 1 and 5 is going to be the factor always. Let us take another example which has 30 and 45. Here we might have some other factor also. So let us see this. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 and 30. Similarly, the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 15 and 45. Hence, the common factors of 30 and 45, as you can see, 1 is common in both of them, 3 is common, and then 5 is common, and then 15 is common. So, the common factors of 30 and 45 are 1, 3, 5 and 15.